My dear students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine with your loved ones. Myself, Nancy D'Souza. Today, I'm going to teach you about opposites.
Opposites, they're not the same. They are different. They are opposites.
Before we start, we shall understand the meaning of opposites. Meaning of opposites. Opposites are words which are completely different from another word in meaning, which means two different words have different meaning. After seeing these images, you must have got a glimpse of what are opposites. So now, let's start. The first opposite goes as happy, sad. Happy, happy. Sad, sad. Happy face, sad face. Happy face, sad face. Now the second one. Day, night. Day, night. D-A-Y, day. N-I-G-H-T, night. Day, night. A bright shining day, a dark night. A bright shining day, a dark night. Big, small. Big, small. B-I-G, big. S-M-A-L-L, small. Big, small. An elephant is big. An ant is small. An elephant is big. An ant is small. Big teddy bear. Small teddy bear. Big teddy bear. Small teddy bear. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. H-O-T, hot. C-O-L-D, cold. Hot, cold. Hot tea, cold juice. Hot tea, cold juice. The summers are hot. The winters are cold. Summers are hot. Winters are cold. Up, down. Up, down. UP, up. DOWN, down. Up, down. The arrow goes up. The arrow goes down. The arrow goes up. The arrow goes down. The hand goes up. The hand goes down. Up, down. Fat, thin. Fat, thin. FAT, fat. THIN, thin. Fat, thin. Fat man, thin boy. Fat man, thin boy. Kalia is fat. Bhim is thin. Kalia is fat. Bhim is thin. New, old. New, old. NEW, new. OLD, old. New, old. New diya, old diya. New diya, old diya. Now we shall revise all the opposites together. First, new, old. Second, hot, cold. Third, fat, thin. Fourth, big, small. Fifth, up, down. Sixth, day, night. And seventh, happy, sad. Let's hear some sweet, melodious songs related to up and down, day and night.
Up and down, within the way to London town. One foot up and the other foot down. That's the way to London town. Look up at the sky at night. See the moon and stars shining bright. Oh, what a wonderful sight. But from where do they get their light? The sun shines bright in the day, but at night it goes away. With the moon it shares its light. That is why the moon shines at night.
By now, you all must have understood the meaning and the different types of opposites. Do revise while you are at home. Take good care of yourself. Stay safe. Thank you.